is a really cool item. Now I want to tell you something, I did a lot of research on this. I've had a lot of these types of things. This is my second one of this, just because I'm giving him as presents. Here's the deal, let me set it up. If you are like me, you have a phone or an iPad with a lot of photos on it, like I have a ton of photos and videos on my phone, and you know how hard it is to keep them all organized. Well, this is called the PhotoStick, and it helps you organize all that, because one little fatal mistake and it results in heartbreak. Trust me, I have lost lots of photos. And I have this experience. Last year, my daughter dropped my phone in the bathtub, and I had no idea for a few hours. And when I finally got to it, everything on my phone was gone, cleared. My photo storage was already full, so I hadn't backed up the photos in months. It was tragic. Now, I have to tell you, I use PhotoStick Omni, and each week I back up my photos and my videos. I just plug it in, and the PhotoStick Omni finds and sorts all my files on the USB, making it super easy to transfer them to my computer, and then I save them from there. Now all my precious photos and my videos and my memories are safely stored away on my PhotoStick, and it's really neatly organized. It's awesome. I can put them on my computer and I'm good. I love this product, and it's a handy little backup stick. Okay, so here's the thing. Quick highlights. It saves you like a lot of time doing it yourself. If you tried to do this, it's very difficult. You know, you plug it in, it's very difficult. And this backs up thousands of your files in minutes. And when you're doing it yourself, just plug it in, it works. It keeps your files safe. You never have to worry about your computer crashing or losing the files because you've got it on this thing, okay? And it's awesome. Massive storage. This thing stores up to 102,400, so 102,400 photos and videos. It's like the best and the only storage you'll ever need. And then here's the cool thing. It has 3 different adapters on it, actually 4. USB, it has a USB-C, which you can use for, like I use for my iPad, which I can plug right in there. It has the regular iPhone plug on it. It has a Android, and it simply just take it off like this. You plug it in, and then when you plug it in, you can simply just put it in your phone or your laptop, or your iPad, I should say, and then it's off to see the wizard, and it keeps them secure and backs it up, keeps it, and then you take this and you're really safely putting this somewhere, and it massive storage, 102,000, a little over 102,000 you can save on this. Highly recommend this. Comes in a little, plastic container, and explains that you can use iOS, Windows, whatever, and it's the best and fastest I've ever used. I highly recommend this right here. The stick